Welcome to Restored Identity and welcome to your Open Pathways kit. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of taking this kit and how to do it appropriately. Upon receiving your kit, you should have 4 products inside, plus a 36-page booklet that's going to walk you through the cleansing process. You'll have your 7-day Cool and Cleanse capsules, your apple a day, your Love Your Liver, and your kidney cleanse capsules. Make sure that you utilize this booklet. Inside of this booklet has all of the tips, tricks, and secrets about cleansing. It has the method to the madness. Why do we open our pathways first? Then go after heavy metals and then parasites. What you can expect during the detox and cleansing process. All of those side effects. There's even a little grocery recommended shopping list. In the back of these booklets, you'll always find the step-by-step instructions to every single kit that we carry. So today, let's go ahead and talk about the Open Pathways kit. All of our kits, unless otherwise specified, are 5 weeks long. With every kit, there always comes a colon cleanse because that is essential with any type of cleansing. You always want to make sure that that colon pathway is open because when those toxins come out, that's where they're coming out of. So every night for 7 days, all you're gonna do is take your capsules. The amount of capsules that you take every night will depend on your body type. Now, if you're someone who has a more sensitive system, 1 or 2 capsules may be just enough for you. But if you're someone who has a little more stubborn bowel, you might need to take 3 or 4. We always say start out with the 1 or 2, see how your body responds, and then adjust from there each evening. These capsules work for about 80 to 90% of our customers, and they work great for them. But there are that select few, like me, who have a very stubborn bowel. So if that's you and you take these and they're not working for you, no sweat. Send us an email. We will send you a 7-day of our stubborn stool remover so we can get that bowel moving. And don't worry, our Cool and Cleanse is very simple, gentle, but effective. So you're not gonna have to worry about running to the restroom at work or having massive blowout. Once you finish your 7-day Cool and Cleanse, you're now ready to move on to the capsule part of your detox. We're all about slow and steady winning the race here. So if you want to slowly ease your body into this new routine, you can follow these day 1, day 2, day 3. If you're on any medications, you can send us an email with your list of medications and we can tell you if they interfere or not. And if you do take any type of pharmaceutical, you should always, whether it's our supplements or any other vitamins and supplements, you should take them at least 2 hours apart from your pharmaceuticals. That way they don't interfere with each other. In the instructions you'll see, day 1, we'll take 1 apple a day in the AM, 1 kidney cleanse at lunch, and 1 Love Your Liver at dinner. So that's all you're gonna do. The first day, you're gonna take 1 apple a day at breakfast time with food. Then when lunchtime rolls around, you're gonna take 1 kidney cleanse at lunch with food or without food. This one's fine without food. And then for dinner, you're gonna take 1 Love Your Liver. Day 2, you can introduce the second one of the apple a day. So at breakfast, you're gonna take 2 apple a day with food, 2 kidney cleanse at lunch, 2 Love Your Liver at dinner. I emphasize taking the apple a day with food because it is super potent and it can disrupt the stomach if it's on an empty stomach. You can mix these around however you'd like to get them to fit into your schedule and your eating routine. Remember, listen to your body. Do what fits best for you. We just provide you the system and you figure out how to fit it into your lifestyle to make this the least stressful for you. Once you get to day 3, it says continue day 3 for the duration of your cleanse. So that just means every day you're just gonna take 2 kidney cleanse at breakfast, 2 apple a day at lunch, 2 Love Your Livers at dinner. And that you will finish out for the remainder of your cleanse. That's it. That's how simple it is to do the Open Pathways kit. Now you may be asking, how do I know if I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is the heavy metal cleanse? By the time you reach the end of the Open Pathways kit, you should be noticing certain changes in your body. First and foremost, you may just notice, wow, I feel a little bit better. You have more energy. That afternoon nap isn't needed anymore, and you just feel better, and your energy level is up. But don't get discouraged, because if you're someone who has been on medications for a long time, or you've just been really ill for a long time, you may need to do 2 or 3 months of the Open Pathways kit before you can move on to step 2. And that's okay, because stop and think. Think about how long it took for all of these toxins to build up in our body. It takes time to bring them back out. There is no quick fix. So remember, be kind on yourself and give yourself a little grace in this process. One of the biggest things people ask is, what do I eat while I'm doing this cleanse? And you'll see inside of your booklet, there's a recommended grocery list. Now listen, this isn't the only thing that you can eat while you're cleansing. These are just recommendations. Maybe there's some fruit and vegetables in there that you never thought of, like, oh, those are healthy, I can eat those, I can implement those into my diet. Also, on the website, if you go to the menu bar and click the Start Here page, you can scroll to the bottom. I have 10 free meal plans with customized recipe cards that you can print out and try all different types of recipes. I say that as long as you're being good 80% of the time, you can still allow for that 20% of fun. Go ahead and go out to dinner with your family. Just try to make a healthy choice. Go to the fair or the carnival and indulge a little, but just jump back on track. Remember, this is a new way of life. It's a new lifestyle, so it's going to be a slow and steady walk. We all know that anytime that we just try to cut everything out automatically, it never sticks and it never lasts, because we just put ourselves in this prison. So don't do that. Don't be hard on yourself. Have some grace. Stick to the clean meats. And by clean meats, I mean check out Leviticus 11 in the Bible. The common denominator of all of the unclean meats that God was like, hey, might not want to eat those, they're all bottom feeders. So we want to make sure that we're avoiding things like pork, shellfish, because if we're trying to get toxins out of our body, it's kind of silly to be eating things that are going to re-toxify our bodies. Most importantly, just try to be cautious about the things that you're putting in and on your body. Yes, I said on your body. Make sure you check your body care, your tooth care, your hair care. All of these outside forces wreak havoc on our body as well. So be sure you're changing those. If you've reached the end of your Open Pathways kit and you're feeling pretty good, time to move on to the heavy metal kit. So I'll see you over at the heavy metal video.